Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to Mahdi English School online education. I am glad to see you all in a new session of mathematics. My little students, let's begin our day with a meaningful thought. Thought for the day is: a child without education is like a bird without wings. This is a Tibetan proverb. What it indicates that, have you ever seen any bird without wings? Is it fly? No. Without wings, a bird is nothing. On the same way, a child without education is nothing. So, my dear students, don't stop become educated each and every day. Learn your lessons and try to prove yourself. Let's begin our day. As you all know that we already have completed chapter number 6. Today we are going to make a revision of chapter number 4 so that all the previous lesson will remind you what we have already completed. So today we are going to make revision for chapter number 4. You all have to write with me, so get ready with your book and pencil. Everyone, first of all, sit straight, make your back straight and look at the board. Write down the date and day in this corner. Write the date properly, day properly. Then write the heading chapter 4. Shapes and patterns. SHAPES, shapes and. You can write the spelling and. PATTERNS, patterns. Shapes and patterns. Everyone has completed the heading. Very good. Look, my dear students. Here in this picture, you can see some different shapes. In this lecture, we are going to learn about some particular shapes which are included in our syllabus. So, let's begin our class. First of all, I am going to explain regarding the shapes. You all have to see that, observe that and understand that. After that, we will start our writing work. On that time, you all have to write with me. Huh? Look, my dear students, which picture is this? Can you recognize? What does it say? It is a gift box. Can you tell me which shape is it? It shows the square shape. Which shape? Square shape. Look, which picture is this? Can you recognize? What is this? This is the picture of globe of earth where we all are living. Look, the color of the globe of earth is blue. Right now we are learning about the shapes. So observe this and tell me which shape is this? This is circle shape. The earth is in circle shape. Now observe this. Look at the screen. Which picture is this? You all are familiar with this. Yes, this is the picture of notebook. Now tell me, first of all observe it carefully and tell me, which shape is it? It is a rectangular shape. Wow! Your favorite. What is this? This is the pizza slice. Now observe it carefully and tell me, it forms which shape? Look, it forms a triangle shape. Now in this chapter we are going to learn more regarding the shapes. Everybody now get ready to write. Sit straight everyone and look at the board. I will detect as well as explain and you all have to write with me. First of all, everyone draw the circle. Look, what does the circle says? I am a circle. Everyone copy this in your book. I am a circle. I am a circle. Again, what does the circle says? I made up with one curve. Everyone write down I MADE, made up with one CURVE, C-U-R-V-E, curve. What is the meaning of curve? Now again, look at the board. Look, this is called curve. Is there any another part? No, this is made up of only one curve. It does not have any other part. I am going to repeat again so that you all can copy it properly. First of all, draw the circle in your book, everybody. If it is possible, draw with the help of bangle. If not possible, then draw it by your own. And write just beside the figure, I am a circle. I made up with one curve. Is everyone completed? Very good. Look at the board. What you have seen there? This is the photo frame. What shape it is? It is in square shape. In which shape? Square shape. Everybody, first of all, with the help of scale, draw the square in your book. Make sure that this all the four lines must be same in size. Draw the first line, second line, third line and fourth line. Draw the square with the help of scale only. Okay, everyone has done? Now write just beside the figure, I am a S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. I am a square. Make full stop. I told you before in each and every lecture that punctuation is necessary while you writing either mathematics or any other subject. This first letter must be capital. At the end of sentence you must put full stop. I am a square. Everyone has completed. Now write down, I have 4 sides and put full stop. I-H-A-V-E, have 4 sides. S-I-D-E-S, sides. Now tell me, what do you understand by the sides? Where the sides are? First of all, complete this. I am a square. I have 4 sides. Is everyone completed? So I can explain regarding the sides. Look, this is the first line. This is called side. This is another side. Third side and fourth side. So we can say that square is made up of four sides. These straight lines are called sides, and a square is made up of four sides. What's new about the square? In square, all the four sides are equal. Make sure that whenever you are going to draw the square, all the four sides should be in same size. So, everyone has completed this. The drawing complete, writing part complete. If not, that I am going to repeat again. First of all, draw the square. Each and every one compulsory. Then write down just beside the figure, I am a square. First letter must be capital. At the end you must put punctuation, that full stop. Then write, I have four sides. Everyone has completed? Very good. Leave some space after completing the square, and everyone draw this triangle. While drawing the triangle, make sure that these both sides must be in the same size. Look, these lines are called sides. What does it call? Side. Now observe the triangle. How many sides are there? This is one side. This is second side. And this is third side. We can say that triangle has three sides. So, before we start writing, first of all, everybody draw the triangle. Here I am going to repeat again that you must draw with the help of scale only. I want the work neat and clean. Is everybody completed? Very good. Then write just beside that figure, I am a triangle. 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 You all have to copy with me, as we all are sitting in the classroom right now. Again I want to repeat, everybody sit properly, sit straight at your place, look at the board and then write. I am a triangle. This shape said, I am a triangle. I have three sides. have three D-E-S, sides. Make full stop. Again I am going to explain. Look, my dear little students, this is one side. This is two side. And here is the third side. So that we can call that triangle has three sides. Now leave some space, everybody. If page is completed, then write on a new page and draw the rectangle. Before you start drawing, look at the board. Which thing you have to keep in your mind while drawing the rectangle? Look, here in rectangle also you can see it is made up of four sides or four lines. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3 and 4. But which thing you should keep in your mind? That the opposite sides are equal. I repeat, the opposite sides are equal. How? Look, this side and this side, these both are equal. While this side and this side, these both are equal. As per square, rectangle is also having four sides. But in rectangle, the opposite sides are equal. I would like to repeat, the opposite sides are equal in rectangle shape. Now draw the rectangle. You must use the pencil. Then write, I am a rectangle. RECTANGLE, rectangle. Make full stop. Is everybody copying with me? I am a rectangle. Very good. I have four sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. I have four sides. Make full stop. Is everybody completed? Very nice. So here we know about the shapes. Which shapes are that? Today we become familiar with circle shape, square shape, triangle shape and rectangle shape. Now let's make practice regarding the same. Everybody write on a new page. Fill in the blanks. Each and everybody write on a new page. Fill in the blanks. Fill, fill, in, the, blanks, blanks. After finishing the notes, leave one line. Now keep this thing in your mind. You have to leave one line, and your handwritings must be very good. Whenever you come to school and I see your book, I want the handwritings very nice. Number 1, a square has dash straight lines. Everybody copy with me. A square has dash straight lines. Look, here we have the picture of square also, so that we can understand. As we have just completed the explanation, now tell me, how many straight lines a square has? Yes, it has 4 straight lines. Everybody copy this in your book. Say loudly with me. A square has 4 straight lines. Spelling of square is SQUARE. Spelling of straight is STRAIGHT. Straight. A square has 4 straight lines. Everyone completed? Very good. Leave one line and then write new FB. Number 2, a rectangle has dash straight lines. A rectangle, RECTANGLE, rectangle has dash straight lines. Here we have the picture of rectangle. Now tell me, my dear, how many straight lines? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we can say that rectangle has 4 straight lines. Okay? Is everybody completed the work? You all are with me now? Very good. Leave one line and then write the new one. A triangle has dash straight line. TRIANGLE. A triangle has a dash straight lines. Now observe the picture, my dear, and tell me how many straight lines a triangle has. 1, 2 and 3. A triangle has 3 straight lines. Everybody copy this. Very good. Leave one line and then write new one. A circle is made up of dash curved line. A circle is made up of dash curved line. curved curved line line. Everyone copy this. Now see at the picture. Look at here. How many curved lines are there? We can say that a circle is made up of one curved line. So, completed. Everyone has completed their work. Very nice. So, today we learn about the shapes first. After that, we understand more about the shapes. Which shapes are that? Today we learn about circle, square, triangle and rectangle. As well as we make practice regarding the same in the form of FB. Now at the end, everybody note down the homework. I am going to tell you about the homework. Everyone copy the homework in your book. Write FB of chapter 4 one time in homework book. The FB which completed today, you have to copy it in your homework book one time. Everyone at your home, everybody stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you very much and bye-bye everyone.